What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Chris? Quick demo video for you for your KR Sabers Krossguard. Got this done actually late last night. I got this done, but then I had to finish up your side blades, which I've got right here this morning. So these are all installed now, and these are ready to go for you, and I'll fire these up here in a second. But to go over your saber, you've got 3 sets of CC Sabers lit PCBs in there. So all sides there. So 2 buttons set up right. So your top switch, that's your activation, then your bottom switch, that's your auxiliary. To get to everything, you're gonna want to untwist this handle. Now what I did was I cut the red wire right here. So all you have to do is just take it and pull it out. Just take it and pull it out like that, and it comes out of that clip. And then you twist your handle counterclockwise and then pull it straight out, just like that. There will be a third screw in your kit. I don't have it in here right now, but you can put it right here. That locks the handle down. After you twist it back in, you would just tighten that. You would put that screw in, and everything would be tightened up. I don't put it in for the sake of this demo, just to make it easier on me. Don't take the 2 side screws out though. So you got this one right here, and then you've got this one right here. Those 2 side ones stay in, and they act as the locking mechanism for that J lock here on the handle. Okay, but here's your chassis. It does have a little bit of something on it. You'll be able to see it better when you get it in person. But it says KR Krossguard over here in Arabic. It says Solo Sabers over here for me. And then it is a removable battery setup, right? So this is for a 21700 battery. This big guy right here, because it has 3 blades, I wanted it to run as long as it could for you. So that's what you've got. There is a piece of art tape over the board, but I just there's a space in my chassis for that, so it doesn't get in the way. Typically, I don't do that. I'll just do a press fit, and then I'll leave the option open for you, but I went ahead and did it this time. Easy access to your micro USB, but you will need to pop the board up to get to your SD card. And then you've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker back here. Let's throw a battery in this guy. I got all the sound fonts on that you sent me last night, so we'll go over those for you.
Let the past die. Kill it if you have to.
So once we put that in,
That's the only way to become what you were meant to be.
we'll throw the handle on. It's just nice and snug fit like it should be, and then it locks right in place. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put that end of the red wire back in that clip. And then once you do that, it doesn't even look like it was cut. So that's typically what I do there. You do have motion controls, right? Twist off, or you could use activation here. Auxiliary. I did give you delayed blade ignitions for the quillions, and I'll show you that when I put the blade in. But also, if I were to hold it like this, so you can see the top will fire off first before here. If I can find the activation button. There it is. Again. Just like that. And we'll throw the blades in. Now, it's just a normal 1-inch diameter blade for the main blade. You've got, of course, your blade retention for the main blade will be on the side, and then you'll find your quillion blade retentions, one on each side here. I did have to go in and drill out a hole in your steel quillions because there was one that was started on the outside shield, but it wasn't. It just wasn't drilled all the way through, so I had to go put that in. But it's no big deal. It's a little bit of a process to get all of these in, right? But it's cool. They're all locked in, everything's in, and now we can turn it on. to play the soundtracks, you know, just hold down power for a second and let go. It'll play that, and then the same thing to turn it off. Change sound fonts, but just tap auxiliary.
Kylo Ren. Kylo Ren. The might of the final order will soon be ready. Nothing will stop the return of the Sith.
So let me see if we're back to the beginning.
Kylo Ren.
Might be back to the beginning. I think you gave me 4. Yeah. Smooth swing's working nice. Right. Blade lock up. Turn it off just like that, and then I will take the blades out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the blades out. It's just a bit of a process. I didn't want to bore you with that. It's pretty typical how you do that. Just loosen up the blade retentions and pull them out. Then we'll come back over here and we'll pull this wire out of the clip, just like that. And then go back to just twisting our handle and pulling it out. And then from the positive side of the battery, which is over here by the speaker, you shouldn't have any problems with your finger coming in here, popping it out just like that. And that is pretty much your Kylo Ren or your Krossguard. Let me know if you got any questions. Of course, it's already Saturday, so this will go out in the mail to you first thing Monday morning. All right, thanks.